Literally the gavel I use.
You've given it away.
You guys hear them? Yeah, I told you I made this up.
Okay.
But I use it. Here you gets the gavel. That's great. Now listen, when somebody's done for the day in here, what are you gonna do? You can do better than that. There we go.
The Gong
There we
Show.
go.
The Gong Show. I love it.
That's, and just stick to it every time. Every time. Learn whatever you write down in the morning in your brain.
Okay, we're now, and the pivot is the only thing I need to post the numbers.
But,
Well, this would be everyday plan.
well,
One time.
but you're adjusting something on a daily
Little
basis.
bit.
So if you read this, it says it could be an inside day. Right? So you gotta have your, you're gonna adjust that each day.
Yeah.
Okay, what does this look like? So it could be, that could be generic, but it reads previous one.
It is pretty generic.
And you want to use
Yeah,
it.
it is like, oh, like, I'm expecting this
Yeah,
and this.
yeah, that's it. That's what you want to be. Literally that. But it tells you that you're gonna stick to that side of the market unless something significant changes. It's your promise to yourself for that day if you're gonna do that. It can be generic, but writing it down makes a huge difference, guys. Everybody promised yesterday you're gonna finish your trading career until you go to the grave or stop trading because you win the Powerball.
Still gonna trade with the Powerball. I'll never stop.
Careful, hold one contract for 10 months.
NYM.
Oh, what?
I'm gonna hold it until it hits support or resistance. One contract.
$2 billion.
Like, no, I would be one guy.
The way to around trading, put 1,000 contracts on like an institution and just wait for like a month to get the price you want.
You know, gamblers, sit down and put pennies in the casino.
Yeah.
They get high on it.
Oh, yeah. it's
Okay,
true.
those penny machines cost you $4 or $5 a pop if you max out. It's more expensive than
You got good trade setup coming up.
Where did you put it?
I'm so happy that my ninja is working.
Oh, good, yeah. No the virus is gone, huh?
Nothing like having a platform working.
I know, well, it's true. Like a day without sunshine. With no platform.
What's that, 133? Machine, what's that? Right here. What's that? It's a little chart. 133.
Today's little warning is gonna be breakout trades. If they don't work within 2 minutes, close it out. It's gotta work right away. If you take a breakout trade.
What do you guys think that is?
Yeah. Yeah, like did I just,
I'm gonna give a reason if you guys don't. What do you think it is?
that's a good question, yeah.
Now we talk about votes. Why do you think that is? What does Scoop say?
When it's, when,
because the post will react right away, right?
Okay, but there's another reason.
when it's stagnant or
That's
doesn't
true.
move and then takes off.
But if it doesn't work right away, get out because we're pretty darn close to the resistance area.
Yeah.
You're
Exactly.
thinking, coach, or am I way
Yeah,
off?
no, that's, well, I'm glad they said it, you know, and you got it out of them rather than me just telling you and copying it down. Yeah, think of, there's gotta be reasons for whatever we say, you know, Coach Brian, myself. So always try to question us. Don't just write it in, yeah, break out 2 minutes. Other times you
Breakout
can,
doesn't work, close it out.
Yeah.
Why though? Why?
because you have that, you know, we're coming up to that big resistance area that, remember, we started a long time ago saying that area would break like 33,000 and go down to 29,000, 4,000 point move. So when it was on its way down, 33,000 was good support. and then it broke it. So now it's sort of the resistance area, and everyone's focused on what? The elections, in terms of at least Wall Street and anyone with a large retirement plan is worried, hey, if inflation really comes and accelerates in the next couple of years, it's going to hurt me. My retirement's not going to be so wonderful. So the markets are jittery. And that's why if breakout, yeah, you'd say, hey, that should work. Up or down breakouts. Trend turns down, breakout down. Maybe they're getting information from the polls that are unfavorable to financial markets. Well, then short it. But if that thing doesn't work in 2 minutes, get out. If your stop wasn't hit. Let's say that thing goes down and it's your net is down 18 points or so, and it's up 5, down 18, up 6, down 8. Dump it. You can always go back and get another trade.
Days cut losers fast.
Yeah. Don't do the Crable trade today. I would not do the Crable trade today. Ever. Hardly ever. Hardly ever. Coach doesn't do it. And I hardly do it too. I just point it out because I was taught that. And some people like it. All right.
You like it.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Sure.
about the market, like, besides the market.
Yeah.
You have t-shirt for men, you have for women too?
Do I what?
Yes. Oh.
Mutual fund?
For women too? Like the
T-shirts.
ladies'
T-shirts.
T-shirts?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This could be used for a woman too.
No, we can specifically order it.
Yeah.
So what does it do to earn that?
Paulina know?
Yeah. Paulina. Yeah.
She's got it, she'll cover it.
And this was just a patch on a regular shirt. We can
We're
get
gonna
these
have it,
patches.
Brad, guys, we're gonna have it, where you can just click online and order your size.
Oh, nice.
Whether you want the Willard logo or if you want like one of the silly t-shirts that we.
We're
have.
going down to 34th Street, Manhattan, the garment district, you know, they're all over the racks.
I miss it.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. What borough did you live in?
And the jewelry business.
Yeah.
Jewelry business.
What borough?
Right on Avenue Z.
Oh, okay. I know. Yeah.
And then I lived in Astoria, but so long ago, I don't remember.
What street in
I
Astoria?
don't remember anymore.
I was born at 2157 42nd Street, Astoria, off of Ditmars Boulevard.
Double R.
I think we were in 60s.
If I were to order
Yeah. Wow. That is funny.
It was a short time, but
Yeah.
then we moved to Jersey.
Yeah. What part of Jersey? Jersey City?
No, Richfield.
Richfield. Okay. I was going to say, it was there. It's getting
Not that
eerie.
long. Yeah.
And then I moved to Blackwood, New Jersey for a while.
And I worked in Nanuet, Hackensack.
That's
Now
why
you
she
in
said
New
that.
York?
You're
Yeah.
aggressive.
Call it Jersey side of New York.
Yeah. Yeah. No, sure.
And that's where I watched the Powers being hit.
Oh, you saw, wow. Yeah, my daughter, the one who was in the car accident, was on by the Empire State Building.
Listening to the radio, I stopped and I saw the thing happen.
Yeah, 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 it's scary.
Friday. Hey, it's White Shirt Friday, guys. I just have to wear a white shirt every day.
My husband was in the city,
Mm.
taking people over the bridge, just
Uh.
telling them to get in. All covered in crap.
Yeah, I mean, when the first one hit, I didn't know it was a small plane or not and all, but when you see an airliner, clear day like that, there's no way. I thought it was suicide. I thought the pilot decided, that's it, you know, we're gonna kill ourselves. Astoria, yeah.
Told you guys.
My daughter lived on 7th Avenue in Manhattan.
Oh, yeah, no, sure. I worked on 51st and 6th Avenue for a while, J.C. Penney building. All right, guys, the numbers. The numbers. 7 minutes to the open. Let's get those numbers down.
Don't forget me if it's bad habits.
I didn't hear the cash register. Does everybody see the alerts?
Yeah, I heard you.
Okay. If not, I'll do it this way too. Okay, Coach Ryan, thank you. All right.
What is that? We ready? We got 10 minutes, guys. We give them a couple of.
Just gonna adjust my text box, so 35-second break. Chart should appear in 10 seconds.
2, 1, charts.
There they go. This way my text box is pretty, but let me show you the delay, guys. I'm going to type an X in here and hit enter. When I hit enter, you will see how long it takes to appear in your chat box. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty quick, but when it gets, it gets clogged, I'll hit the button and it'll be 15 seconds before it appears. So that's why I have to keep refreshing. Speaking of clog, anybody in this hotel flush a toilet? That thing explodes.
Like an airplane.
Yeah, I mean, that'll scare the you-know-what out of you if you had problems. You just sit there and boom. Yeah, I thought it was a bomb that went off.
All right. No, it is pretty aggressive, isn't it? It's pretty aggressive.
Never heard that.
All right, hey guys, those of you online, Chris Brown here. Those of you online, please, if you're newer, start watching your core trading videos. I know we had a few people sign up in the past day or so as room members. So start watching your core trading videos and your trade setups. Start practicing those. Schedule time with the coach. Those of you on trial, what do we have? How much time do we have left before we open, guys? 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes before we open. Those of you on trial, listen up really fast. Please watch your orientation video. Schedule a time with the coach. Make sure to schedule that time with the coach. The coach will help guide you through what you need to understand through all of our crazy lingo and what we're doing to get ready for the day and the trades that we take. No trading for the first 6 minutes if you're on trial. Also, please make sure to paper trade if you're trying to follow along with us. Do not do it with cash. What else do I do to tell them, guys? Be safe.
Ask questions.
Ask questions. Sit back, relax, prepare to be amazed.
Take your shoes off.
And as you guys know, after you trial, it's just $99 to be a member. So thanks for being here, trial people. Watch, have fun.
I'm gonna move
Let's
this
get
a
ready
little
to rock
closer.
and roll. If it wasn't, oh, you need a hand?
Yeah, no, I got it. As long as it's not 10 pounds, I can lift.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it's last night pain-free. It's pain-free last night. Just stretching out a little bit. It's like, it feels like a plate in my back, I feel like a grate. I mean, that's weird. I hope that's not forever like that. But there is a cage down there, so it's like a titanium cage around the lower lumbar zone. Like discs are in the slots.
From sitting long hours in
Yeah.
front of the computer.
Could be, yeah. Although when I took my first pilot test in like the 1990, the doctor said, the FAA doctor, he's not an orthopedic, he goes, "Do you have back pain?" No. He says, "There's a little curve in your spine. He says, that's going to cause you problems when you're 40. So it didn't start until I was like 65, 64. So I'm pretty lucky that way. Never had an injury, never had a back injury. But it could be. I agree. Especially sitting and then writing. I'd be in front of the computer 8 hours without getting up. Stupid.
That's fine.
Yeah. Now you're telling me, where were you 10 years ago? Hey, get up, walk around.
Figure out which ones you want to cut out.
Does that have something on it or something?
Okay.
I have to stand up on my own.
Okay.
Without the.
I was telling this.
On this or?
We're gonna roll.
You said something.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm just curious. I mean, I do. Yeah. I'm worried about my back. I already have back.
Yeah,
It needs, just
You know, I was in an accident, 40 feet down. And that's where I even missed on the way. So the doctor told me,
1 minute to kick off.
1 minute to kickoff, guys.
Yeah.
No trading for the first 6 minutes unless you have explicit instructions.
Now, what do we think the institutions might do? Do you think they might push it down a little bit and then get their clients long? Don't be surprised if that happens.
Yeah. Show me how you scan your charts. Maybe not, show me where you start.
You know what I should have done? Turn this table around the other way and faced everybody, I think. Been behind it there.
that would have been, it
Yeah.
would have been like. teaching-
Yeah, because here everything's congested into that. And even my coffee is like, I gotta reach over. Maybe I will, yeah. Let's see, we'll sit on that round one.
Oh, that's 15.
7 seconds. People are talking. You want to see those ticks right away. Come on, guys. High ticks. It starts high. Bids and offers are pretty well spaced out. It's nothing like 80 contracts, and it's like 7, 6, 5. So it's pretty benign opening. So watch your stochastics. Just get the feel for it. Say, I would have bought here. I would have shorted there. Don't do anything. Just say, would I think 45 is a good buying area? That's what I'm thinking right now. See, 945 would be a good buying area. I didn't buy it, but okay, yeah, it went up 12 points right away. That's good. You just start mentally attacking the market because it's going to happen fast. And I say, all right, now would I short the market here? Would I sell it at 70? Would I sell it at 70? Will it come down to 55? Oh yeah, see, it does. So you start mentally trading it and deciding, am I in tune with this market or is it completely out of question? And by the time you're ready shorting it, the stochastics are pointing down. So it happens fast, you know?
So do you ever watch the number on the range chart as you're trading?
Right now, I'm watching just this tape right here, the time and sales. That's all I'm watching right now. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Sell off, guys. Be patient. Be patient.
Isn't that amazing how they do that stuff? And you say, wait a minute, what happened? The market's going up. It was going up. It was 970. Remember? Oh, wow. And it's down 60 points already. How could this be? I just lost 60 points. See, and you don't want to do that.
So is this a buy point?
Now, well, yeah, I would say, all right, I'm long at 900. Yeah, see, not 15 points I would have made. Wow, that's pretty good.
Target bill.
Ooh, somebody bought it. Very good.
Be patient.
So you had to pay.
4 minutes.
Ooh, I got 931. I'm flat. But whoever bought it probably bought it 2 seconds before I did. Very good. Because as soon as I heard order filled,
I bought
Target.
it at 903.
good. I bought it at
20.
I bought it at 920. You beat my pants. Look at that. But again, not supposed to be trading this early, so I was happy taking a quick profit.
Did you buy it on the statistic or?
I just bought it on the tape. I just saw it. I saw blocks going long, in green.
On the title.
Okay, so you.
I'm only trading time and sales right now. Yeah. Yeah. After a while, you could trade just on time and sales. I could take the charts off and just trade all day. And not even,
Really?
yeah. Remember, I've been doing this for 40 years.
I can't keep up with it.
Don't say you can't. No, no. There's two words you don't want to use anymore in front of me, at least, and probably coach also. No, and I can't. You can do anything you want, anything in life you want. You want to be a jet fighter pilot? Well, maybe not 73, but you can do anything you want, and you do get what you want. The universe gives you the one thing that you really want. A lot of people don't know what they want. Well, they think they want it, and that's what they want, but they don't verbalize it. So there's no such thing as can't. That's why you're here, because you can. And really, and it's not like a Tony Robbins walk on charcoal briquettes. Yeah, I walk with asbestos shoes. Okay, guys, pretty soon, 35 minutes. 5 minutes have gone by. Sorry about that. 5 minutes have gone by. We scalped one long already in this room here. Yeah, Ford said, if you think you can or can't, you're absolutely right. If you say, I always lose at trading, you're absolutely right. That's exactly what you do. Yeah, you easily can do it. It's easy because so many people are failing at this. And sadly, you're competing against people who are, it's like playing poker with blind people.
I like that.
Yeah.
Unless they have braille cards.
Right, yeah. Or pretend they're blind. Yeah. Who's that? That's Minnesota Slim. He's pretending he's blind. Oops, wrong table.
9:36.
9:36.
All right, gang. Now we get the first hookup for real. Let's be vigilant. Let's watch this thing. Now we're getting a breakout, a second. This could be the 1, 2, 3 reversal. This is the time you can draw your trend line. All right. Now you can draw your trend line. You can turn Sarcasa on. And here's Sarcasa, right? I have the other, it's all green. So all of this pullback area is coming into a buy zone. And what you could do very quickly is drawing tools, a ray, right? There's a ray. Now get ready, and you do 2 contracts. The first target's going to be 12 points. Yeah, we'll go over that, Kev Dog. That's a very good question. It's different parameters. What's the other stuff below Sarcasa? All those bands, the momentum. Yeah.
We're gonna do that with you guys today.
Yep.
Yell at me if you need something.
It's sort of trying to paint the picture of, are all systems go for launch? You know, which direction? If they're split, then you've got a variable market which can do anything, and it's not really good to take a trade. Now it's all green, so you want to trade at the end of the downtrend here on this 15 range chart. 15 range chart is in a downtrend, right? But the big picture is in an uptrend. So you want to wait until this pick the bottom of a 15 range chart. That's sort of all the bottom pickers should love this. Bottom pickers say, oh, I'm going to get the lowest price in the 15 range chart. Well, what is that really? It's really a pullback on the 60-minute chart. So get ready.
Get ready. You guys ready? Very patient.
And of course, we did define volatility as 175 points. Where was the high, just for your reading pleasure? The high was
What the high, guys?
9,
What was the high?
I heard 980. Yep, you're right. Whoever said 980, you're right. Yep.
You guys haven't, listen, guys, you gotta learn to multitask. Part of the reason why we're throwing distractions at you while you're here is so you can focus. You gotta look at multiple.
Looks like a
charts.
buy signal coming right here.
You're ready to trade, but relax at the same time.
And let's say you were in at 92, right? So like 04 or so would be your first target.
Not bad, not bad.
There's your first target, bring the stop and trail it. Very good. Look at these. They're animals. They're animals. Animals. And yes, that was the buy signal. Very, very good.
This is a good one. You have plenty of time.
Now, let's say you missed that and you go, oh, well, I missed it. Then you can always take a break of that trend line, right?
That,
Right here. But you should have been long at 92 or so. Yeah.
The 200 is acting as resistance. It won't pass it. It keeps going to 200 and reversing. So
Yeah.
far.
Yeah. Yep.
It's rejected.
And by the way, we had 3 minutes of low tick reads. So that also gave you a hint that the market was doing this. Now, take one off and raise your stops. Everybody getting this? Very good. Did you get it, Brad? You're in? Okay. Take one off.
I did.
Okay, good. Now put a stop in at your break-even price and leave it there. There you go. I love it when it's quiet because everybody's counting their money. Raise your stop.
Mine picked up on my desktop, so I'm okay.
Just raise stop slightly. You might catch a good runner here. And get up and stretch for a second. A little walk.
Maybe we can.
Catch it when that's or the breakout. Yeah. Well, yeah, that one was a quick 12 points. You had to be quick on that and get out. But it's all right. Now you can make up for it easily. Just run.
Yeah, I already got.
You already got, okay.
But I'm waiting for the next one.
Eventually, you're gonna get to the point where you get really aggressive and say, here's my stop, and I'll go and have breakfast.
Yeah.
And then we come back and see, so, all right, I'll move it up over to the trend line. Eventually, you know, it's not gonna happen overnight. Everybody's got some of that, right?
Everybody got a little bit of that move, right? Like screaming, 5 minutes, you guys got it? Yep. Nobody, you got that?
I got 200.
Okay, good job.
I got it too early on that first one. But I got the second one.
You remember we talked about that, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Why that happens? Did you cut it fast?
No.
You don't listen.
All day.
If you don't need it, really, I mean, you can.
Yeah, then it's video. I
You'll
just
be
say,
able to
just-
think like,
Yeah.
you know, you'll see the public and the stochastic, you'll see the trend line breaks. All of these go point to point.
Yeah.
And then eventually, you're gonna put your stop right at the low bar, of that swing bar, and leave that out. You'll- That could be your runner for the day, you know what I'm saying?
So,
How you doing? Yeah, with the Superdome, you know, people have problems in the beginning. They start a lot of times with short trades. You know, the short trade on there.
Yeah, I think about
Yeah. And part of it is balance. Yeah, you're trailing.
I don't think it's. I mean, I don't know where people are.
Just like,
Maybe
I
I
know
know too.
when you get excited, you do something, think it's when you're failing. Number two, change the
Not
model.
in this, I got a re-enter. I don't know.
Eventually, you get to real stock. Although the swing. Oh, yeah. But not in the beginning, you know, people take it. Maybe see that. Set up three sides to the console. You have to do the chance. The second load, right? When you make a load in the middle of it, that's the eight pound breakup. Then when it goes up, it's sliding it. Did you guys listen to the bottom on that?
Resistance. What's it do with Tracy?
It could be a trade of the day.
I need it for crutches.
You've got to sell one, change quantity.
I need a cooker.
Sell one at the market. No, just hit this button right there. All right. This is buy at the market, sell at the market.
Yeah.
Right on the line.
Just wanted one that.
Keep money up. Well, the odds are, if we squeeze this.
Don't listen completely to the coach.
That's how we make money.
Yeah, you got it right. It's gotta become your methodology.
How about a counter?
Here. All right, good. Good, stop.
Probably not.
That's appropriate.
So you think through this, you have time. You're gonna win trade.
You're already green, right?
All
right. You got my permission to counter trend,
You're making money, no matter what.
but you're fighting the rest of the room. You guys got it, right? Good job. He's got a runner there. The duck is, he's got a runner.
I would add here.
Meaning add a market.
Yeah, 2 minutes still rising. Stay with it.
Good morning, everyone. Paulina here from Liberty Trading Club. Just wanted to welcome you to the club, as well as hope you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you'd like to join us live in the trade room, you can visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to the trade room to take our live trade calls, as well as participate in chat and have your questions answered by a coach. After your first 3 free days, it's only $99 a month to have access to the trade room, and you'll also unlock our core training modules. Please like, subscribe, and share.